Hello again, folks. You are watching ONDARA TV. My name is EZRA ONDARA. Today I am behind the screen. Many are used to seeing me in front of the screen. And in this video, we are presenting a 3-bedroom bungalow. Okay, this one is not for sale. I'll tell you why I'm here. But a 3-bedroom bungalow, all ensuite inside a gated community, plus a DSQ on the side. So this home belongs to a Diaspora client who, after buying this home, they asked me to do a video for them, which they will be watching while they are far away from home. So otherwise, enjoy. And we do real estate content in Nakuru. We do house hunting in Nakuru. We do various vlogs around Nakuru. And we also promote businesses in Nakuru. Now, let's go. All right, you realize that the home took an open concept from the lounge to the dining to the kitchen. You know, it's all open throughout. You know, like if somebody's in the kitchen, you can always engage with them while you're watching TV in the sitting room, you know, and vice versa. So now let me ask, would you rather have an open concept, you know, connecting those three areas, or would you rather have, you know, a closed kitchen, for instance, or maybe a closed dining area? Let us know in the comments. You know, so by the way, this dining table was custom made by Akanthas Custom Furnitures based here in Nakuru. This dining table. If you love what you're seeing, just DM me and I will hook you up with Akanthas Custom Furnitures to do something for you too. Just DM 0791 055 678 and I'll hook you up with Akanthas Custom Furnitures based here in Nakuru. So it's a beautiful home. We even had a breakfast, you know, from that table after shooting the video, that is. We sat down there, we had lunch, you know. Yeah, I mean, it was some wonderful moments. So pulling back, we are in the kitchen. Looking at that, you look at those white cabinetry and then with black granite tops, You know, you can just see, you know, the choice of material here is just splendid, you know, everywhere. Sindio? Yeah, look at that again. And then the floor space. I mean, nothing is busy. Nothing is just bombarding you. Yep, still inside the kitchen. So we pull back to the laundry room. Okay, there it is, the laundry room. And yeah, there is a washing machine right there. Now, for those who usually ask me, Ezra, can I get the plan of that home? I think for this one, the way I've gone from space to space, you may not even need the plan. You can actually see the plan for yourself. You know, there are those who see other people's homes and then they reach out to me. Ezra, can I get the plan of that home? More cabinetries inside the laundry room there. So we are out of the laundry room. Now let's go check out the bedrooms. Yep, there is our first bedroom, which is the primary bedroom actually. How is the brilliant white on the walls coming along for you guys? You know, all around the home, brilliant white. No mix and match, no blue, pink, purple, no. Brilliant white. So I'm inside the ensuite of the primary bedroom. You're looking at the finishes there. Indeed, you can tell everything here is just exemplary. Sindio? Yep, inside the shower cubicle, you can see telephone showers there, you know. And the mirrors around as well. The tile work in the room is just awesome. Very well, up to that point, I hope you guys have enjoyed the house tour. It's a beautiful, beautiful home indeed. And if you have a project like this, you also want to see the progress of your project, you want to see the finished product of a home that you have built, of an apartment that you have built, or is still under construction, you want to see the progress, you can always reach out to me on 0791 055678, and I'll come there. I'll compile a nice movie for you to have a look at things. That is what I call real estate videography. Exactly. So hope you have learned a few things from the interior design and decoration of this home. Let me tell you guys, I've been watching many interior design videos, and I noticed that interior designers stick to these four colors, white, black, brown, and gray, and shades around those colors. So for those of us, let me say us, for those of us who tend to paint the interiors of our homes, blue, green, pink, purple, please, come on. That's not how it is. If you have looked at this home, you can tell that this person is a student, is a proper student of interior design, if they are not interior designers themselves. All right, let me leave it at that. See you in the next one. Subscribe for more from Nakuru and beyond the city.